Yay! There's your frame. Good. Don't just trot around and round. Do something else. Do you know, a circle, a serpentine, whatever. Push her a little more forward in the trot. Way to run me over. You have to buy me a steak if you do that. More stretch, Victoria. More stretch. All right, give me a little canter, Amelia.